Welcome to a new video of the Solutions Journal. If you like this video, subscribe to our channel and leave us a like and comment. In this video, we are going to learn how to make a histogram in Excel. Well, first, let's go to Excel. Once we are here, we are going to go to the option that says Insert, and then we go to the little arrow that is here. As you can see, many graphs will open. We go down and select this one. As you can see, this is a type of histogram. We can also select another example, for example, this one. It looks much better. This style of graph, you will be able to modify it as you wish depending on what you want to do in Excel. As you saw, it was very simple. If you liked the video, leave a like and stay tuned for the next tutorials. I send you a greeting. Goodbye.